Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. My name is Preeti and today we are going to learn the sound of vowel O. Short sound, cop. Cop has short O sound. Cop sounds like hop. Phonic practice, bog, dog, fog, log. Mob, knob, rob, sob. Cot, knot, pot, rot. Cop, hop, mop, sop. Ball, doll, pall, roll. Long sound, cope. Letter E keeps mute but make O sound long. Phonic practice, bone, cone, tone, zone. Cope, hope, pope, rope. Bore, core, more, tore. Doze, hose, nose, rose. Dome, home, roam, tome. Fun time, tick the pictures which have long O sound names. So what are the pictures that has long O sound names? Bone, rose, rope. Very good. Write the words in two columns given below. Short O sound words, sop, rot, pot, knot, sob, mob. Long O sound words, tome, nose, bore, hope, roam, dome. Color the words that have short O sound with blue. Color the words that have long O sound with red. So let's do it. Very good. So kids, I hope that you have learned, understood and enjoyed what we have done in the class today, and you try to practice more and more to become perfect.